Good morning, everyone. This is Audra Wilson with Castonia Tractor. I wanted to take some time today to go over making an Operations Center account. So let's get to it. The first thing you're going to do is go to johndeere.com. You're going to come to this landing page here. And then you're going to select the digital tab there at the top. Once you select the digital tab, you'll see a couple options. What we're going to do is create an account. Once you get into that create account, you're going to have some information you need to fill out. We're going to be underneath agriculture for our category. We're going to be a farmer and producer, and then you will create your username. You're also going to want to enter in an email address. This is going to be the email address that is associated with the John Deere account. The next thing that you're going to have happen is you're going to need a verification code that's going to get sent to the email that you gave John Deere. So once you have that verification code, you're going to go ahead and type that into that box, and then you're going to verify your email. All right, so the next steps is just some basic information. You're going to give your first and last name. You're going to enter in a phone number, your address, just some basic information there about yourself that's going to be registered to your account. All right, next step is creating a password. You want to make something that you can remember. So create a strong password, but at the same time, like I said, something that you can remember so you can get back into your account. Once that's generated, you're going to move on to the next step. And it's going to ask you about your organization. So this is where you're going to name your organization name. And then if this is a commercial business or if it has a different address, then your user account, and then you will go on to your next step. Next thing you're going to have pop up is going to be some organization terms and conditions. You're more than welcome to read all that, and you can go scroll down to the bottom. You can accept it. Next thing will be your equipment. You are able to enter serial numbers of that equipment. If not, you're also welcome to skip this step, and your dealer, Castonias, can add your equipment whenever you do purchase new equipment. We can move that into your account for you. The next thing you're going to come to is a JD Link Telematics Service Agreement. This is something that you can read through as well if you'd like, but this allows your JD Link connectivity to come through to your account and your Operations Center and anything that you would do out in the field to come through. Next thing you're going to see is choosing a John Deere dealer. So Castonia Tractor should pop up based on your location. If it does not, you can choose a different store, which gives you the option to choose, Rensselaer store, Fowler store, DeMont, whatever it may be for Castonia Tractor. You also want to select Enable Data Sharing with the dealer. This will help with RDA sessions. If you do have any troubleshooting errors out in the field, that allows service technicians or IS consultants to be able to remote into your display and help you with anything that you may need out in the field. You're going to get a summary at the very end. It's going to kind of go over all the information that you just went through, just double checking everything. Once you approve all that, you're going to just hit save and done. And then your new John Deere Operations Center account will be ready to go.